video, we're going to be using the dye kit. We're going to be tie-dyeing a white shirt
and a white handbag.
You're going to need a white shirt, a tie-dye kit, 4 rubber bands, 1 pair of gloves, and 2 or 3 water bottles. And if you want, a white bag. To start off, you want to pinch the middle of your shirt and twist it to the left. Now grab a rubber band and tie it around the shirt. We are going to be using 4 rubber bands, which create 8 divisions. After you're done preparing the shirt, it's dye time. So now, open the tie bottles. For this part, we're going to need some water. When filling the dye bottles, make sure you're holding it with one hand to prevent them from spilling. After filling the bottles, make sure the dye is completely dissolved by shaking the bottles for 15 to 30 seconds. Now that it's dye time, we're going to need some gloves so we don't stain our hands. When you're done dyeing, put the shirt in a plastic bag and let it rest from 6 to 8 hours. When you're done letting it rest, take the rubber bands off and put it in wash. And this is what our shirts look like. To start off, you're going to pinch the middle of the bag and twist it around to the left. You can use your other hand to give it a circle form. After that, you want to grab the rubber bands and wrap them around your bag. I'm going to be using 4 rubber bands, which create 8 divisions. After you wrap the bag, it's time to start dyeing. Before I start to dye, I'm going to put my gloves on so my hands don't get stained. I'm going to be using 4 colors for this bag. After I'm done dyeing the bag, I'm going to put it inside a plastic bag to let it rest for 6 to 8 hours before washing it.